Let us give a look on this gate problem. Let me study first the gate problem here given. Here is a 16-bit triple carry adder is realized using full adder. Carry propagation delay is 12 nanoseconds and the sum propagation delay is 15 nanoseconds. The worst case delay of 16-bit adder is, so this is the total number of 16 number of gates. This is the carry adder, first full adder, second full adder, and so on, 15th full adder and 16th full adder. So here the problem is, what is the worst case to complete its operation? That's what he's asking. This is the problem. So give a brief, let me clarify the brief explanation of me. And similarly, I am giving environment to the students so that they can able to understand how the problem will be given in the different angle also, and I will explore the content of this concept so that the students can easily understand, and what might be the question can be given, they can easily answer. Before going to the problem, let me clearly explain what is the concept of full adder concept. So this is the full adder. So it is having two inputs of A0 and B1. A0 and B0 is the two inputs, and another input is C input of the previous previous stage. And these are the two outputs. One is S0 and C0. So the S0 and C0. So, and first I am giving a brief truth table of the carry out. That means I am explaining about this, how it comes. So these are the different combinations because we have 3 inputs, and the possibility of the carry output is here 0, 1 plus 0, no way of carry out. But here there is a possibility of chance of getting of carry. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means sum is 0 and carry is 1. So there is a possibility of getting carry here. And similarly, this is also carries here, and this is 1 plus 1, 0, carries here, and 3 ones, so carries here. So thus we are acquiring the possibilities of carry out. So from this based on sum of these 4, that means this is A0 bar B0 C input, A0 bar B input C0, plus this point A0 B0 bar C in, A0 B in C in, A0 B0 bar C in. Next is A0 B0 C in bar, A0 B0 C in bar, plus A0 B0 C in, A0 B0 C in. So by this modification, Boolean function modification, the total value is equals to, the total carry out is equals to A0 into B0 plus A0 exclusive or B0 into C in. That means the total carry, that means C0 is the value of carry generation. This is what is called as carry generation. The carry is internally generations. That means the possibility of carry is getting out from this each single full adder is, this is the summation of 2. Either of the cases will happen. First case is the carry we can generate by the simple product of these two inputs, A0 and B0. This is the one way of getting carry out. And another way is carry propagation. That carry propagation is depends on the values of the two inputs sum, exclusive or of two inputs, and product with Cn. So this is how the carry out mainly depends on two inputs, right? From this we can able to tell. But means here the problem is given only in this direction. That means in the problem is given only carry propagation delay. Here the carry propagation delay for each unit is 12 nanoseconds. The problem is given, but he don't bother, he doesn't mind about the carry generator. So in near future, the students who confine this formula, how it comes, that means, so that's why I'm giving a full information so that the student can easily answer what might be the problem will be given, whether it may be GATE or IES, whatever it may be, any competitive or in theory examinations also. This is the concept. So here this problem is only, he mentioned only the propagation delay is given 12 nanoseconds, and whereas the 15 nanoseconds is for some calculation. That means only this part, that means A exclusive or B, that is the sum value. Somewhere sum is exclusive of two inputs is nothing but sum, and whereas the propagation delay is that if multiplying with this C input. So here the problem is given only this point of view, not given this point of view. There is a scope of in the next coming gates also, next competitive exams also, they keep in mind, they might have given the problem, keep in mind this also. So please be aware. So this is the total concept. Once you grip on this total configuration, then we can able to easily understand the problem. Okay, next coming to this. So here I am calculating, first is carry propagation delay. So we have since this is the final stage of this 15th, that means 16th FA. This is starts from 0 FA0 to FA15. So for example, in front of them, that means in front of this we have nearly 15 full adder circuits are there. Next, what I am going to task is first calculate what is the task. He asked the question is, what is the worst time to complete its operation? That means it has to get C15 and also it has to get S15. Once S15 and C15 is completed, for this, that means for the completion of C15 out and S15 out, what should be the minimum worst time? That means not minimum, it's the worst time. That means maximum. What is the total operation is to be completed for this? This is what we are calculating. We need to calculate. Next, so already each delay of the carry propagation is given as 12 nanoseconds. So we can calculate easily for the how much time is to take to complete the carry propagation for 16 carry bits. 16 means, so totally for each is 12 into multiplication of 16 numbers. That means 192 nanosecond. That means to come this C15, it takes 192 nanoseconds. So is it the time to complete the total operation to do this? No. That's not the true. That's why he is asking, what is the worst case to complete the task of S15 and C15. Next task is, what is the value and how the time it will be taken to calculate sum of S15. Okay, so next task already we discussed. Next task is how much time it take to complete S15. Already as per this formula C14, from this formula C14 is equal to carry propagation into its previous carry. That means the C14 means it depends on how C14 will be coming in. Okay, once the C14 enter, the how much time will take to complete or to arrive C14 into this as an input, because the sum is depends on the carry propagation delay. So from this sense, carry propagation delay, right? So what is the carry propagation of it? That means what is the carry propagation for 16? Already 15 carry propagations have been cleared. That means C15 is equals to 192 nanoseconds. But for C14, how much? Subtract one delay, one full adder delay, that means 180 nanoseconds. This is the carry out which is entering into the full adder of 15. So this is 180 nanoseconds. That means 180 nanoseconds. So 180 nanoseconds into what is the sum, what is the time consumed? That means this product, what is the time consumption of the sum propagation? That is given as 15 nanoseconds. That means for this, since it is an individual, each FA is sum propagation as 15 nanoseconds. Then plus total number of finishing it is up to this. That means the carry is arriving to come to this is, what is the total propagation number of this delay plus this some delay. What is the some delay? Some delay means, so before it, if it is S14, what is the total it? Already C14 is equals to 180. That means this is the carry 14 is coming into this as to this FA15. That means 16th full adder is 180 nanoseconds. Then 180 nanoseconds carry is coming into this, and to it the sum calculation is also added, because it has to complete what is asked is what is the total processing time to complete both total carry of the final stage, and similarly final sum will be out. So already we have calculated for C15 what is the time taken, 192 nanoseconds. Is it right? No. So, and it has to complete this also. That means S15 to calculate means it requires C14. What is the C14 here? C14 is equal to total propagation delay of 14th. That means 14th stage means 15th full adder into its propagation delay. That means 180. That means it coming into the 180 nanoseconds has been taken to complete it. Plus, what is the sum of the 16th full adder calculation is, that is 15 nanoseconds. So sum them. That means 195 nanoseconds. So this is what we have. So from this, now this is the total full adder 15. That means A15, B15 and C14 and S15 and C15. The carry time is C15 is equal to 192 nanoseconds, and this is equals to this carry delay previous plus its sum. That means 15 nanoseconds plus 180. That means 195 nanoseconds. So which is the worst case? That means it is 192 and this is 195 nanoseconds. That means the total delay is the worst. Delay is the worst. So that means 195 nanoseconds. 195 nanoseconds is the final answer of it. So keep in mind that this is carry generator is not in given. Suppose if any, so please do calculations as per this concept, and you might have calculate by using this also, then automatically we can do the best in your near future.